Coral reefs are among the greatest natural wonders of the world. They are beautiful to behold. Services provided by corals in the Caribbean generate between $5 to $11 billion a year. And yet, climate change is already impacting these vulnerable ecosystems. Storm damage, higher sea temperatures, severe coral bleaching and disease have resulted in a major decline of healthy corals and their associated marine life, putting livelihoods at risk. Caribbean acroporids are key reef-building species but are already critically endangered. Coral reef restoration is key to climate change adaptation. Several projects are taking place in many islands across the Caribbean. Scientists actively and restlessly research ways to adapt and mitigate to adverse effects of climate change. Coral reef restoration begins by setting up nursery frames at control locations and sourcing coral fragments. The process is conducted by trained professionals and does not affect the mother colonies. Fragments are first placed on ropes and allowed to grow in nurseries for approximately 1 year. This increases their chances of survival. They are then outplanted to degraded coral reefs and secured to the sturdy substrate with the help of trained fishers and tour guides. Their involvement ensures sustainability of the efforts by building local capacity and creating additional sources of income for surrounding communities. In Belize, one such reef restoration project is demonstrating the potential of restoring coral reefs with coral species that can resist the impacts of climate change. Attracting thousands of visitors each year, Laughing Bird Key National Park boasts over 17,000 new coral colonies. This World Heritage Site has coral transplants and nursery-grown corals with over 5 years survivorship, the longest documented anywhere in the Caribbean. The reproduction of transplants have been documented, and genetics of coral and useful algae have been studied to ensure that the biodiversity of the 3 species of corals important for the health of reefs is maintained. Ongoing research is beginning to reveal that corals may have already adapted to higher sea temperatures. The success of coral reef restoration at the Laughing Bird Key National Park is a ray of hope for threatened coral reefs, making this community success story regionally important.